It's Toolbox Tuesday, let's install a sewing light. It's a strip of LEDs with an adhesive backing so you can put it under the arm of your machine. First, clean the back and the arm of the machine with some rubbing alcohol, a sponge, and dry it with paper. Then, lay it back so you can see the underside better. Before peeling, do a test fit, and if you need to, you can trim the strip using the guide marks. Now peel just the tip of the backing off so you can position the strip properly. Then you can keep slowly peeling and pressing the strip into place. Go slow and push any wrinkles out as you go. The arm is curved on my machine, so it was a bit fiddly keeping it even. Once it's on, do a final press to make sure it's perfect. It comes with these little sticky hooks, so you can keep the wires out of your way. Figure out where you want the wire to go and clip the hooks onto it before you peel them. I also put one around the side to hold the wire away from the bed. Peel just one at first to start off. Because I'm extra, I used a straight rule to make sure that they were even. You can't see it, but I know it's there. Then just peel and position your hooks. Now you can plug in the USB wire and you're ready to go. I love the extra lighting that this gives me in a usually dark space. This is about $5 online and it's so worth it.